Understanding the phrase, "miss the alarm" in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, "miss the alarm." Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding such phrases can really help in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it. Miss the alarm is a phrase that combines two simple words, missed, the past tense of miss, and alarm, which refers to an alert or reminder, usually for waking up. When someone says they missed the alarm, they mean that they failed to hear or respond to their alarm. This usually leads to them waking up late or starting their day behind schedule. The phrase is often used in casual conversation, especially when talking about morning routines or reasons for being late. For instance, if someone arrives late to a meeting, they might say, "Sorry, I missed the alarm this morning." It's a straightforward way to explain that they overslept or didn't wake up when they intended to. In many cultures, being on time is important, so missing the alarm can be seen as a minor mishap. It's generally acceptable as an occasional excuse, but regularly missing the alarm might be viewed negatively, as it can signify poor time management or a lack of responsibility. There are several variations of this phrase, such as slept through the alarm or the alarm didn't go off. While they all revolve around the same theme of missing a wake-up call, each has a slightly different emphasis. The first implies a deep sleep, while the second suggests a technical issue with the alarm itself. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "miss the alarm," and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, learning such phrases not only enhances your language skills but also helps you connect more with the culture. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.